how to get new users on Temu. So if you want to get new users on Temu for referrals or rewards, follow this tip. Step number one, find your referral code. So open the Temu app, go to your profile, tap on refer and earn or invite friends, copy the referral code or invite link. So step number two, share your referral code. Send your invite link to your friends and family. Share it in WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, or TikTok or Twitter. Tell them they can get discounts or free gifts when they sign up. Step number three, post on social media. Make a post or video explaining Temu's free gifts. Show people how to sign up using your code and use hashtags like hashtag Temu free gifts, hashtag Temu deals, or hashtag Temu referral to reach more people. Step number four, join online groups and forums. Post your invite link in Facebook groups, Reddit, Telegram, and Discord. Find groups where people like shopping deals, be friendly, and explain why Temu is good. Step number five, offer small rewards. It's optional. So if you want, you can give a small gift like mobile load or a discount to people who sign up with your code. This will motivate them to join. Step number six, ask your friends and family to help. Tell your family and friends to invite more people using your code. This way you can earn even more rewards. An important note, new users must be real people, not fake accounts. Some referral programs give cash while others give discount. And check Temu's rules. Some offers change over time. So I hope this helped, and this is how to get new users on Temu. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.